Hello and welcome to Azurewala YouTube channel. We are in part 12 of Azure Solutions Architect Expert series. So far we have completed 16 questions in previous videos. Today we are going to discuss question 17. Before we proceed with today's topic, I would like to inform you that we are providing online instructor-led hands-on Azure trainings. If interested, please feel free to reach me on this WhatsApp number. Question 17. You have several Azure App Service web apps that uses Azure Key Vault to store data encryption keys. Several departments have following requests to support the web app. First is Security Department. Their request is that they want to review the membership of administrative roles and require users to provide a justification for continued membership. Second requirement for the security department is get alerts about changes in administrative assignments. Third requirement from security department is they want to see a history of administrator activation, including which changes administrator made to Azure resources. Next, the development department has this requirement. They want to enable the applications to access Key Vault and retrieve keys for use in the code. And the quality assurance department is having this requirement where they want to receive temporary administrator access to create and configure additional web apps in the test environment. Question is, which service should you recommend for each department's request? In answer area, we are given 4 choices for each department. Let's see which option is best fit for security department requirements. So this is the requirement for our security department. So first option we have given here is Azure Active Directory Privileged Identity Management or PIM. It enhances the identity and access control management, especially for privileged account. Privileged account means administrative accounts. And what we can do here, that we can provide the time-based and approval-based role activation. We can provide the just-in-time privileged access and multi-factor authentication. We can provide the access reviews. By having the access review, we can justify the continued membership of the administrative user. Also, here we can view the audit history of the administrator activities, means we can check here if administrator activation or changes made to Azure resources. That means we can see a history of administrator activation, including which changes administrator made to Azure resources. Furthermore, let's go to learn.microsoft.com. We are on learn.microsoft.com at Privileged Identity Management Overview page. Let's scroll down. We'll see what the privileged identity management will do. So privileged identity management provides time-based, approval-based role activation to mitigate the risk of excessive, unnecessary and misused access permissions on resources that you care about. Let's see the key feature. Just-in-time privileged access, time-bound access to resources, approval to activation privileged roles, multi-factor authentication. Also, it will provide the justification to understand why users activate. Also, it will provide the alert or notification when privileged roles are activated. It can conduct the access reviews to ensure users still need the roles. And further, it can download audit history for internal and external audit. Back to the question, therefore it meet all the requirement and Privileged identity management is the correct answer for security department. Second option, third option, and fourth option is not relevant to this question. Development department requirement. Here we would like to enable the applications to access key vault and retrieve keys for use in the code or development code. As we have seen, for the privileged identity management is not built for this purpose, so we'll not go for this. Second choice, managed identity. Let's understand what is managed identity. It provides an automatically managed identity in Microsoft Entra ID for applications to use when connecting to resources that support Microsoft Entra Authentication. And this is Azure resource, the access key vault, which supports the Microsoft Entra Authentication, and we can authenticate to our key vault from our applications using the managed identity. Therefore, the second option, managed identities, is the correct answer for development department. Next is quality assurance department. The requirement for quality assurance department is to receive temporary administrator access to create and configure additional web apps in the test environment. So the requirement is clear that we want a temporary administrator access, which we can call just-in-time privileged access. By using privileged identity management, we can provide temporary administrator access to create and configure additional web apps in the test environment. Therefore, option 1 is the correct answer. Let's go back to answer area. Therefore, for the security department requirements, we will choose Azure Active Directory Privileged Identity Management. For development department, we will be using the Azure Managed Identity, and for quality assurance, we will be using the Azure Active Directory Privileged Identity Management. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.